La Rochelle, we are on board our new motor yacht, the MY4.S. So this new motor yacht has something special in our range. This is a sedan version, so sedan this is without a flybridge, so a sport top. And this is pretty new in our range. We believe that this new boat will hopefully attract some younger customers, but still will satisfy our historical customer, which are more long cruising people. So on this MY4S you will be able to either do short cruise weekend in a nice and sport and sexy boat, but as well doing long cruise with a range of up to 1,000 miles.